Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y61, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications or more precisely toggles, which you do by swiping down from the right side of the top of the screen. And between those toggles, on one of them should be a screen recording toggle. Now, if we don't see it, which looks like I don't, we can then tap on this square right here with like a pencil on it, and we can edit switches, and hopefully we can find it somewhere here. And there it is. So as you can see, screen recorder. Once you see this toggle, hold it. It will lift up a little bit, and then you can drag it over to the top, drop it, and when you go back, save, you can now see it somewhere here. So there we go. So in here, we're gonna now just simply tap on it. I will turn off the microphone, and it's already recording. So whatever you'll do right now, obviously, will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, simply click on the red overlay, the square right there, and it will automatically save the screen recording to your gallery application. So I'll open it up right now, and you can see it right up here, and I can just simply play it back now. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.